Hey friends, welcome back to the Strong with Jordan YouTube channel. Today, we are reviewing this 1968 Chevy C10. The engines you can get in this Chevy C10 are a 250 cubic inch 6-cylinder or a 283 cubic inch V8. Some transmissions you can get are a 3-speed manual or a 4-speed manual, or the automatics you could get are a automatic turbo hydromatic or a for the turbo hydromatic you can either get in 350 or 400, or you can get a power glide. The C stands for conventional, and the 10 is for half-ton payloads. This car is in mint green. The wheels are very old school, since it is from the 60s. Here it is from the side. Here it is from the back, from the other side, and from the front. Alright friends, that would be all for now. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and share this video with your friends. Goodbye, friends.